Hey guys, this is iPod Touch 401 here with another video. I just didn't have the time really to do this unboxing. I bought these what's it called? Skullcandy inked headphones, and I got them yesterday with my shuffle, but I just didn't really want to open at the time. But yeah, let's just get right into the unboxing. So, obviously it showcases the headphones. I wanted the gray ones, they look nicer, but I got green. That's the only color they have at the store. And then here are the earbuds. I believe these are, okay, I don't know if you can see that, but I got the small ones, and then large sizes, small, large sizes, already the medium size. And this is my first pair of in-ear headphones, never at least kind of before, so let's get right away with this unboxing. One thing I need is scissors. Oh, I guess I'll just rip this. I'm going to do it off camera. Okay. Okie dokie, and here it is, the Skullcandy smoked earbuds, in-ear headphones. And we've got the little silicone here. There's a small size. Sorry, it's kind of hard to tell. And then we have the large size, and they're already on the earphones. The earphones is the medium. Here's a little instruction. I'm not really gonna bother reading that. It's not that hard. Okay. To reorder, it pretty much tells them to go. If you have any problems with the Skullcandy headphones, just go to the website and contact them. And then here we have the headphones. Just pop this piece of plastic out. And okay, simple enough. Pretty simple packaging. And yep, okay. So that's all you get. Plain and simple. Get your earbuds. Pretty long cable. And then you get, obviously I already showed, large, and then sizes, and then small. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You just take this. This does not have a mic, if you're wondering. It looks like it just says the logo, Skullcandy logo. And let's just take this off. Yeah, because this, I thought when I seen other videos, I thought that part, okay, I don't know if you can tell, okay, but yeah, I thought that part said, I thought that was like a little mic, but I guess it just says Skullcandy. And wow, these are long, they're nice, lightweight, good design. So that was pretty much it, the unboxing for the Skullcandy headphones. And I'll come out with my reviews. I need to get my reviews out. I'll get them out soon. Sorry about the long wait. So I'll get the silicone cases and the leather case out review, and possibly the shuffle case. I might be getting a shuffle case soon, and I'll do a review on these in-ear headphones. And yes, please comment, rate, and subscribe, you guys. And I'll keep on coming with more videos out soon. So, see you guys.